Are you tired of being cooped up inside, staring at the same four walls every day? Us too. That's why we're here to introduce you to Electric Awesome, the YouTube channel that's all about electric cycling. We're going to cover everything you need to know about electric bikes, from the reviews to cycle tracks to cycling gear and mods. And trust us, it's going to be electrifying. We are passionate about electric bikes and we want to share that passion with you. But let's face it, there's nothing more awesome than feeling the wind in your hair and the sun on your face as you ride through some amazing scenery on an electric bike. So if you want to join us on our electric cycling adventures, make sure to subscribe to Electric Awesome. We'll be uploading new videos every week, so you'll always have something to look forward to. Electric Awesome, where we make cycling fun and electrifying. So what are you waiting for? Get on your electric bike and let's ride.